An instruction on how to create the Stool project for the Year 9 Design and Technology class. First, we're going to create a project. Hover to the top left side where there is this grid icon. We're going to click on it and we're going to create a new project. Click on New Project, name the project, once we have named the project, we press Enter and we double click on the project tile. Once we are inside the project, we're going to create all the parts. We're going to start with the top. To work more comfortably, we're going to close the data panel. I'm going to close there and we're going to click on Create Sketch. This icon for Create Sketch enables the three planes. We're going to select one plane. In this case, I'm going to select the bottom plane. Once I am ready to sketch, these tools here become active, which are the sketch tools. We're going to create the top using the center diameter circle. Click on the center diameter circle and then click in the cross section in the middle where the green and red line meet. I'm going to click with one finger on your trackpad and drag with the other finger. And we are going to let go. That creates a circle and we're going to specify the diameter by typing in 340. That is the diameter of our top. And then we're going to press Enter. Once we have pressed Enter, we finish the sketch and this takes us to the isometric view. We're going to click on Extrude to create the top part, and then this piece is going to be 12 mil thick. So we're going to type 12 mil and then we're going to press Enter. That creates our top and it's a bit zoom in, so if I pinch in and out my fingers in the trackpad in my laptop, that's going to zoom in and out of the view. Alternatively, at the bottom there are these additional tools that you can use to zoom in and out or fit the design on your window. So for instance, if it's always zoom in, I can go into this sub-selection and then usually you will see it that is in that zoom window icon, but you can also go to the second option, which is fit, and then that will fit your drawing into that area. After you select that one, that will become the default option. Once we're ready, we're going to assign the material. I'm going to click on Modify, select Physical Material, and then this dialog window comes up on the side. And I have a selection of materials here, ceramic, fabric. If I scroll down, it will give me wood. Usually the folder will be closed and it will look like you can't go any further. But if you click once and continue scrolling, you will see all the options for wood. This top is going to be plywood sheeting. So we're going to apply the material. In this case, right now, Fusion doesn't have that material loaded into the gallery, but in another video, I will show you how to assign your own materials. But just for purposes of generating a parts list, then we're going to select the proper materials, even though the preview is not accurate. So we're going to select plywood sheathing and we're going to drop it on top. Once we have done that, our part is ready and we're going to save this drawing. So we're going to go up to the icon for save, which is that little disc there, and then we're going to name it top or something meaningful that you know what part of the stool this is. Okay. Once we have finished that, we can create a new design.